I came home late one evening, lifted my old-style garage door, and the spring broke, slamming down and nearly crushing my Harley Davidson.
Yeah, it was a ticking time bomb. Our garage door was really on the fritz. You know, our motor couldn't even get the garage door up.
Yo sabía que algo estaba mal con la puerta del garage. Y un día que íbamos a trabajar, la puerta se zafó y casi destruye uno de los carros.
The issue with the previous garage doors were they were very old and they were the old wooden kind.
So I called Precision Garage Door. The consultant came out the same day. He went through all of our options. And in fact, he installed our garage door the same day.
I got online and was researching garage door companies, and I saw Precision Garage Doors.
You're going to find out that Precision Garage Doors is the best for sure because they have the most amazing reviews.
Les hablé. Y en 1 hora y media estaban aquí. El trabajo excelente, los técnicos profesionales, los precios competitivos, y desde entonces no tenemos un solo problema con la puerta del garage.
They were able to really solve and tell us things that the other companies didn't tell us. And we felt that they were much more in tune with what we wanted and how we wanted to have them installed.
Precision Garage Doors is a reputable company and has great warranty.
Yeah, and they've been in business for many years.
Right.
And we know they're going to be around for many years. So if we have a problem 10 years from now, we will dial that phone number and they'll answer at Precision Garage Doors and come out and fix it.
We considered the pricing to be more than fair. We worked with them and they put it exactly into our budget and were willing to work with us, and I actually believe they might have taken just a little bit less profit in order to satisfy us.
I called Precision Garage Door, they came in, they gave me all my options. I am super happy with Precision Garage Doors. If you have any issues at all with your garage door, I highly recommend you call Precision Garage Doors.